Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. What I'm going to show you today is how we can use a open source podcast utility in Linux to subscribe to podcasts via RSS. So let's go take a look. This is a podcast that I listen to from time to time or watch the video version of. It talks about radio engineering. So we're going to go ahead and grab their link here. You see me do that. I'm going to hit the plus button up here, paste in the feed, and hit add. And after a second, there comes the image and everything. I can click on this. There's my episodes coming in, and I can actually go in here and I could click this little button right here, and that would download the episode. Oh, didn't mean to do that. But that would download the episode. Let's see here. Mark all this played. If I click on one of the episodes, let me get out of this. Oh, wait, there it goes. Okay. Let's say I click on one of the episodes. Does it give me the, yes, it does. So it gives me a description here and everything. I can get the title, the runtime, the publish date. Let's say I wanted this one right here. I'm just going to hit the download button, and here it goes. You're going to see it's going to download pretty quick. I got relatively decent internet here, and this is audio that's compressed using MP3 like most podcasts are. So, you know, those combinations together mean it's going to download pretty quick. Of course, as soon as I say that, it starts to slow down. But anyway, you can see that it's downloading here. And in a moment, it will be done downloading. I can unsubscribe up here by clicking the little three dots. I can mark everything as played. I can open their website up, which you already seen their website. For some reason, the menus here are like trying to stick. It didn't do this before when I was testing, but it has now. So I like the UI, though, of this. If we make it full screen, it's pretty good. I'm not sure how to make the text bigger for you at home, so I apologize for that. But, you know, it looks really slick. If we go out of this, assuming it will keep downloading, we can come over here and see new. And this will show me all of my new episodes that I can play. One thing I don't know about, if there is a way to do it, and I don't think there is to auto-download episodes. That's something I think would be nice to have, is just say, this is a show, I always want the latest episode to be downloaded. So, but you can see it's almost done downloading here, and now it's done. And I'm not going to, well, actually I can play it because I got the audio muted from the computer. There we go. You can see that it is playing, and I've got my controls down here to move around in the program, and I can hit play, and the time code will update there. We can change the speed of playback as well for those of you that like to listen to a podcast at multiple speeds. Let's see. I click on any of this, nothing happens. I can use these buttons to fast forward and rewind a certain amount of seconds, etc. So it's pretty cool. It's not a half bad piece of software. I'd recommend you all check this out. It is actually GNOME Podcasts. So that is what we're looking at here. Trying to figure out where they'd be about. I don't see it. Maybe show details will give you something. Here we go. There we go. They just call themselves podcasts, but that's really what it is GNOME Podcasts. And you can see there's the project website right there on the GNOME website. Well, folks, thanks for watching. See y'all again very soon. Goodbye, everybody.
And action.